Hello friends, in this lecture we shall discuss greenfield projects. Friends, investors make investment in a different type of projects or activities. And according to Cambridge dictionaries, greenfield project is an activity in a completely new area of investment. This new area of investment may be in geographical terms or it may be in activity terms. So what is greenfield project? It is a project where investments occur when the investor begins by constructing new facilities from the very beginning, from the ground, without involving any previous work. So here the entire activity related to a project, it starts afresh. If something is already done, that is not taken into consideration. So here we have a greenfield project. Everything started from scratch. Friends, these projects can be for several activities. These activities may be software development projects, construction projects like construction of airports, construction of roads, construction of bridges, or investment activities. These can be on across international boundaries basis also. So this type of investment can be within the country or outside the country, across international boundaries. There are several reasons for building own new facilities rather than purchase or lease of existing one. So the investors can go for leasing or purchasing the already running facility, or they can go for that activity which has to be started from scratch. And there are several reasons why people go for greenfield investment. The first reason is that a new facility offers the maximum design flexibility and efficiency to meet the project needs. So all investors, they want to make investment in such projects where the design should be according to their requirement. So to ensure that there is a design flexibility and efficiency for meeting project requirement, the greenfield projects are most suitable. Instead of greenfield investment, an existing facility forces the company to make adjustment based on the present design. If this building, if this project, if this facility is already existing, in that case the investor may have to make different type of adjustment because the present design may not be suitable. The new facilities are much less costly to maintain than the used facility. If a facility is created, if a project is created from scratch, it is relatively less costlier to maintain. Hence, most of the times the investors make investment in greenfield projects. Greenfield projects are different from brownfield projects. So this brownfield project concept we shall discuss in a separate lecture. Well friends, I am sure the contents of this video will benefit you. Thank you for watching the video.